Welcome to Cafe Calculations. My name's Eric, and today we're here in Venice Beach, right on the beach, right next to Venice Skate Park. I actually grew up here years ago, and what's interesting about this in reference to modern day skateboarding is in the mid-70s, some young surfer kids integrated surfing techniques right into skateboarding, and skateboarding was in its early stages, so it was a wide open canvas. Anyways, it was that impact, that surf style into skateboarding that birthed modern day skateboarding as we have it today. And they built this approximately 5-10 years ago, and this is kind of like the mecca for modern day skateboarding. What was interesting about the time when I was a kid, all the guys I hung out with always referred to a surfer by his or her style. It wasn't so much what they could do on the wave, all the tricks or anything, it was how he or she did it. That kind of stuck with me all the way up through my whole life. And style is something that made me design and want to do cafe calculations and fine mathematics. How you approach the math and how you write it on the page is essential to the learning process. If you write it too fast and you scribble it, your mind isn't focused. If you're not focused, you're going to slip and crack your head open just like somebody did a little while ago. You have to be very careful, you have to be very focused and very relaxed at the same time. With fine mathematics and cafe calculations, the idea is to write slow, copy what I'm copying, and think of it more like a training ground, almost like you're in the gym, and just get used to how the machinery of the math propagates through. So, I hope you enjoy the process, and we're going to get going here in a moment. If you like our videos and our content, please subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notifications, please. If you really like our stuff, I encourage you to head over to Patreon. The link will be in the bottom of the box on YouTube. And become a member and get our member benefits and be in tune with everything else. Anyways, without further ado, today we are going to do the expansion of two binomials in a general form and how they equal the trinomial. This is a very basic multiplication of binomials, and the idea is to just understand the machinery. There's a couple ways you can see this. I'm going to show you the more informal way. Well, it's more formal, it's called the distributive method, but I'll do another video where we'll do the FOIL method, which is the more common way you would do this stuff. So let's start. So today we're going to show that a plus b quantity squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So the idea is to unpack this area and make it look like this. So the first thing we're going to do is notice that a plus b quantity squared, we can rewrite that as a plus b parentheses times a plus b parentheses equals. Now remember, with these calculations, we're trying to show that the left side can expand or reduce some math and make it look like the right side. So let's continue. We just open this up. Okay? Now this method I'm doing today is the distributive method. And what this means is I'm going to, if you recall the distributive property, I'm going to take this first element, a plus b, multiply it to the a. I'm going to do it again, a plus b, and multiply it to the b. And then we're going to do a little bit more math and we'll be close to showing this. So the first thing is a plus b, that's an a, sorry, times the a. Bring down the plus a plus b again, times this b equals, okay? Now notice we have another distributive method for each item. Now if you notice, I've kept the parentheses on everything so I keep track of what's going on. That's the grammar of the mathematics. It makes life a lot easier if you understand this stuff, and you'll be able to wield the math much easier. Anyways, let's continue. A times b plus ab. Notice too that you put it in alphabetical order. This is common convention in mathematics. Oops. next term, plus b times a, which we get another ab, plus b times b, b squared. Copy down the equal. All right, well, next we notice there's only one a squared, so we just bring that down by itself. Plus, I have an AB here and an AB here. I have a total of two ABs. B squared is by itself, plus B squared equals, and then we check it. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared is exactly what we were trying to do. And lo and behold, we have shown that the left side is identical to the right side. Thank you very much for watching our CAFE calculations. Again, please become a member. Follow the link in the bottom. Like, share, comment, and I hope to see you guys soon. Every Monday we have a new content that's being uploaded. And just so you guys have an understanding of how you can use this, you can use the CAFE calculations as a quick way where I explain how to use it. And then the Fine Mathematics lessons you can just copy, and that's the training ground. And just take your time through it, and then the goal is to be able to do it without looking at the video. Again, thank you very much. Hope to see you guys soon. Take care. And more important than anything, enjoy the process. Thank you very much.
بتقولها زي شعرها زي شعرها